Here is a review of multiplying decimals. In class we looked at this problem. 5 times 3 we know is 15, and 5 times 0.3, or 5 times 3/10 is 1.5. There's one decimal position here, so there's one decimal position in the product. 5 times 0.03, or 5 times 3/100 has two decimal places, so this will be, decimal goes right here. And the final one, there's 3 decimal places, so the answer would be 0.015, or 15 thousandths. We also looked at exponents. We know that 3 squared is 9 because 3 times 3 is what 3 squared is, and that's 9. And then we looked at 0.3 times 0.3. Well, there's one decimal place here and one decimal place here, so 1 plus 1 is 2. So our answer will have 2 decimal places. It would be 0.09. Then we looked at 0.03 squared, which is 0.03 times 0.03. There's 2 decimal places here and 2 decimal places here, so the product will have 4 decimal places, and it will look like that. Then we looked at just a regular multiplication problem like this. I'm going to put some decimals in here and here. So first we're just going to divide. You don't need to line up the dot. Multiplication and division. So 5 times 1 is 5. 3 times 5 is 15, carry your 1. And 2 times 5 is 11. Then I go to my next number, which is 4. And I put a placeholder 0. And then 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12, carry your 1. And 2 times 4 is 9. I'm going to add those together, and I'll get this product. Now I need to figure out where the decimal goes. There's 2 decimal places here, and 1 here. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So there's going to be 3 decimal places in the product. 1, 2, 3. The decimal goes right there.